Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. I have got a undercap on with a volumizer. Right, so I'm using a chiffon scarf. Place it on top of your head and take the sides of each side of the hijab and take it behind your neck and secure the both ends with a pin or the pin that I've just used, a snag-free pin or a safety pin. Using a snag pin is tricky. So once you've done that and secured the back, you will have to neaten the top of your hijab so it is crease and fold free. With this style you can wear earrings, so make sure that you make the lobes of your ears they're not covered and they're visible, so it's easy for you to put your earrings on. Right, so grab some fabric from the back and bring it forward, creating a fold. You have plenty of fabric at the back, so there's no reason for you to worry that the back or your neck will be showing. Once you've got that fold in place, grab yourself a straight pin and secure the fold on either side of your head, just on top of your ears. Now grab the both sides of the hijab and move them forward just over your shoulders. Here I am putting my earrings on. You can do this at the end, whatever you find best for yourself. I'm going to be showing you two finishes. Right, so the first finish is this style. So now grab the inner side of the hijab, the inner side of the hijab, and take it under your chin and over your neck. With this, your neck won't be visible. With this style, your neck won't be visible. So it's optional for you to wear an undercap, entirely up to you. You do need to play around to get the folds and the flow in place. So that's style 1.
I know what I'm doing.
Style 2 is get the end of one side of the hijab and start to pleat. You can pleat as small as you like or as big as you like. Take the hijab under your chin and over your head, not as tight around your neck as style 1. With this style, you will need to wear an undercap, a ninja cap, or a turtleneck top, otherwise your neck will be visible. This is a more of a flowy waterfall design style. There we go.